Hello students, I'm Shreya Sethia and I'm a social science teacher. Today we are going to study social science geography, that is chapter number 2. Name of the chapter is the structure of the earth of class 7th. So we are going to start with hard words. Let's start. First word is structure. 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 Meaning of this word is formation or composition. Okay, next is interior. 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 Meaning of this word is inside. Interior, it means inside. Next is earthquake. 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 Meaning of this word is sudden shaking of the ground. It's a natural disaster, a kind of natural disaster where suddenly grounds or earth start shaking. Next is volcanic eruption. VOLCANIC. Volcanic eruption. 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 It's a kind of natural disaster, same, and where lava or magma comes out. We will study further in the chapter. Next is crust. 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 Crust is the outermost layer of the earth. Earth is divided into several concentric layers, several layers. Okay, and the first most layer is crust. 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 Second is mantle. 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 This is the second layer which is below crust. Then next is core. 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 It is the innermost layer of the earth. Innermost layer of the earth. Next word is outermost. OUTER. Outer. MOST. Most. Outermost. It means the layer which is at the furthest from the center. Okay, this is called outermost. Then next is minerals. 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 Meaning of this word is solid substance present in soil or nature, right? They are called minerals. Next is accumulation. ACCUMULATIONS. Accumulations. It means building up something or a kind of collection. It's called accumulation. Then next is igneous rocks. IGNEOUS. Igneous. ROCKS. Rocks. Igneous rocks. They are primary rocks which are made up of lava or magma which comes out during volcanic eruption. Okay, next is sedimentary rock. SEDIMANTARY. Sedimentary rocks. This is a kind of rock. We will study this in chapter. Then next is metamorphic rocks. METAMORPHIC. Metamorphic rocks. 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 It is also a third kind of rock which we are going to study in chapter further. Next is magma. 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 Meaning of this word is hot fluid or a kind of liquid material which is present inside the earth is called magma. Then crevice. 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 Meaning of this word is small or a narrow opening in a rock. Just like a kind of volcanic eruption, this is a kind of mountain and there is a small opening from which lava comes out. So this point is called crevice. Okay, next is lava. 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 The liquid fluid which comes out from mountains or during volcanic eruption is called lava. This is called lava. Okay. Next is crystalline. 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 Crystallines are the substance or a kind of things which are present in the form of crystals, which are in the form of crystals, जो crystals के form में हो. Then extrusive, intrusive, intrusive, intrusive. It's a kind of igneous rock. Intrusive and extrusive, these are the two kinds of igneous rocks. Igneous rocks भी दो तरीके की होती हैं. First one is intrusive and second one is extrusive. extrusive, extrusive. Then stratified rocks, stratified, stratified rocks. This is a type of, or sedimentary rocks are also called stratified rocks. सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स जो होती हैं उन्हें स्ट्रैटिफाइड रॉक्स भी कहा जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज रॉक साइकिल. रॉक साइकिल, ROCK, रॉक, CYCLE, साइकिल, रॉक साइकिल. ओके. और जो रॉक्स का फॉर्मेशन है वो एक साइकिल की तरह वो अपने फॉर्मेशंस को चेंज करती है, ट्रांसफॉर्म होती है, राइट. तो उसे रॉक साइकिल कहते हैं, वो हम चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे. Okay, next is transformation. 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 It means changing in form.